Nandito kami guys sa harapan ng Walmart. We're gonna be buying some stuff that we're gonna put in the box. So nandito tayo sa guys, sa Walmart ngayon. Naghahanap ako ng mats para sa ating bathroom. Dito naman tayo sa mga kortina guys. Naghahanap ako ng kortina na either puti or yung off-white or yung beige na kulay. Yan. So, ito lang yung available sa kanila. I think I have to check more sa Amazon to see if I can find the one that I really like. Yan. So, they have some good selections here, guys. And, if you want some affordable stuff, you can always find it at Walmart. So, the next place that we visited is the Goodwill. Ayan. So, I believe this is the biggest Goodwill in our city. I like this store because they have a variety of stuff. Of course, it's a thrift store. So, nandito kami sa guys, sa Goodwill. We are planning to buy some books for Rachel. Something that we can put in our box. Right, Daddy?
Definitely, for sure.
Yes. Ayun na nga guys, naghahanap na tayo ng mga libro. Actually, I've already found some books that I put in the cart, but I feel like I needed some more, so I tried to like really look through para naman may maidagdag tayo. I feel like it's never gonna be enough. I'm just trying to get what I can. I just want to take advantage of the chance and the time that we are already here para may makolekt tayo kasi the last time na pumunta kami ng Pilipinas, we went to the bookstore. Hindi ko na i-mention yung pangalan, pero I didn't really see enough books, and that is why me and my husband came up to this idea of buying or thrifting some books before moving to the Philippines. And yeah, because they are second-hand books, so they are cost effective, and yeah, they sell the hard cover books for $1.99, and the paperback books, should I say, yeah, they sell those for only 99 cents. So we were able to grab a great number of books.
Sunset fading, leaves are changing. Summer's gone, but we're still dancing.
So my husband went to check if he can find more books for Rachel. This section, by the way, is the children's book section. Here you can find books for little ones. And they also have a section for romance books. They have some educational books over here in this area, science, math, English. They also have a section for gardening, those who love gardening, and those who also are into cooking. They have some books for cooking. Ayan. And my daughter is really patiently waiting for mommy and daddy to finish. Here are some books that we have already selected. They also have a nonfiction area on this side. Look, they have a variety of books over here that you can find. Ayan. And then in front of this bookshelf is where you can find the fiction books. There you go. Ayan. The reason, by the way, why we went here is to get some storybooks, chapter books for my daughter, because over here in the US, they really have some good selections of books. So, and you can get them for a very affordable price, by the way. Ayan. So I was able to grab some storybooks, science book. I also found book for grammar. Ayan. So I am so happy with my
Hi, Daddy.
purchase. How are you? Good.
Good. So relaxing.
Yeah. So after we did our book shopping, I went to check if I can find some nice dresses. But before that, let me show you guys what they have here. Ayan. Marami silang mga shoes, sandals. Ayan. Magaganda pa. They are still in very good shape. Ayan. Pero I decided not to buy one because I'm not really into shoes. I am good with having one or two or three shoes. That's me. I'm just simple. So here I am now, looking for dresses. Actually, dresses are more important for me than footwears. I don't know why. Um, I I just really find it more useful compared to the shoes. It's like I can always repeat my shoes again and again and again and again. I just needed some dresses to wear for work. Hello guys, nandito kami sa Target ngayon. So, hi!
Flexing.
Flexing, ikaw
No.
ba?
No,
Say
I'm just
hi.
flexing the way I'm just doing pose.
Mhm. Opo. Okay, so bibili lang kami ng konting food dito, guys. Meron din akong nakitang mga ano dito, stuff. Wait. Ito siya, microfiber. Yan, full size. Tapos, ano lang ito siya, $15. Tapos, ito ang aming shower curtain. This is just $6 lang guys. Temporary lang yan. Tapos, ito, $2.50. And then, this one is only, how much did I say this one? It's $5 or $6. Yeah. And then, meron tayong towel. And then, ito, gagamitin ko ito para sa bathroom. Yan. Alrighty. What else do we need to get? Yeah, they're the same price lang at Walmart. O, $5. Dito na naman tayo sa mga pots nila. Farberware. Ay, gusto ko siya, oh. Ha? Ay, gusto ko siya.
Why would you want to drink in a normal? I'm making my own advertiser, guys. Why would you want to drink in a normal cup when you have the alright donut cup?
Yeah, you don't only drink it, you can eat it too.
Boring. Throw this away and replace it with this.
That's so cool.
The
It's so
original
cute.
donut cup.
Dali. Nga, ibang sa... Dito tayo, balikan natin yung ito, oh. Kasi mahilig tayong mag-bake. Ay, ito siya, set na siya, $15. I'll show this to daddy. Dali lang. For the box. Halika dito na. Halika dito na. Lang. It's $8.
Okay, put that other one away.
Put this one away. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, they have a lot of deals today. Oh. Quattro. Or sometimes, tag 220, 250 na lang yan siya. This one is only $1 lang ga. Oh, for the kids. No? Sorry. Look, $1.99 for Crayola. We're not here for this. What daddy got for Rachel? Oh, wow. Pinilhan niya na naman. Yeah. It's not a good, ano.
Just a good design.
Yeah. So, binilhan ni Daddy ng ano si Rachel, oh. Sus na lang. Tapos ito, oh.
He's
Para
smashing
meron
up
siyang
my bread.
magawa-gawa.
Mommy's smashing up my bread.
Sorry. Oh, yeah, the foods
So
should
what?
be here. This go in here. I only put foods on this side. Yeah. Bakit you only got one of this?
What? What?
You should have, no, get like
Should.
two or three. I like that.
I don't know. I got to the part on it.
Mm.
And I'll pass all the way quickly out from it.
I-flex natin ang cologne ni Habi. Ito yung cologne niya, tag 20 something lang. Pero mabango masyado, guys. Hindi siya cheap.
The one that I have.
This is 25.
How much?
25.
I
And
think it's 22.
23, yeah.
I'd rather get the 25. It's big and
But
it's more.
this actually smells good. Remember? That's the one we really
This
like.
one smells good too. That one smells good.
Let's get the number 1. And then the number 2. I-compare natin.
The future.